If you want your website to rank on Google, this is your crash course on SEO. This will be a longer video, but I'm taking you step by step, so save this for later. First, go to ubersuggest.com. Create or log into your account and then go to Site Audit. Type in your website here and then click Search. This is going to start to crawl all of the pages of your site to find any SEO issues. This will give you an overview of your website SEO, and it'll also give you a detailed list of any SEO issues that it's found. If you view all of the SEO issues, you can actually download these as a CSV. You can see that some of these will be easier to implement than others. This list can get quite technical at times, so if you don't know what something is right off the bat, you can work with a developer and have them fix it for you. Once you fix all the technical components on your pages, you'll want to move on to the content-based portion of your SEO. Going back to Ubersuggest, you'll want to go to Keyword Ideas. You'll want to enter some keywords here. Once you hit search, you'll get a ton of keyword ideas. Now, as you scroll through this list, not all of these are going to be applicable to your business, so you'll want to find keywords that are relevant to your business, have a high search volume, and a low SEO difficulty. Let's use Los Angeles barbershop as an example. If you click this search results dropdown, this will show you the top 10 ranking articles for that specific keyword on Google. You can click through on any one of these articles and you can take a look at what they're doing. If you want to outrank that specific business for that specific keyword, you need to create an article that's even better than that resource. You can do this by taking a look at the content of the article and seeing if they're missing anything, if there's a way that you can add a video or some other unique perspective. You'll want to make sure that that specific keyword is placed in your meta title, your meta description, your blog post title, throughout the blog post text. And you want to do this in a way that isn't overstuffing the keyword. You want to make sure that it's integrated naturally. Let me know if you'll try this.